तुमचं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे आपल्या नवीन ब्लॉग मध्ये। तर कनिष्क पॉवर यूट्यूब चॅनल को नवीन असेल तर नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा, शेअर करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला बेल आयकॉन दाबल्यावर तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन येईल ब्लॉग आल्या। तर चला, आज या दिव्यामध्ये फर्स्ट टाइम SMG मध्ये रोबोटिक एक्झिबिशन। मी पण तिथे शाळेत होतो 5वी पासून तर 10वी पर्यंत तिथेच शिक्षण घेतले। चला आता तिथे जाऊ, व्हिजिटला बोलवले आपल्याला, व्हिजिटला जाऊ। काय काय रोबोटिक पोराई स्वतःहून हातातून बनवलेले आहे रोबोट। तर चला जाऊ आता विजिट करून बघू, तिथे गेल्यावर समजून काय काय आहे। चला आमच्या लास्टपर्यंत सोबत राहा ब्लॉग मध्ये। चला लेट्स गो। काही चला आता पोहोचलो आम्ही SMG इंग्लिश स्कूल, बघू शकता। चला आपले दिवा रोडला आहे। चला आता जाऊ, आता आतमध्ये जाऊन विजिट करू, बघू। काही चला आता पोहोचलो। बाबू थोडा ह्याच्याबद्दल एक्सप्लेन कर काय आहे।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajeshwar from 8D. My name is Gyananupam Maurya from 8D. Today we are going to present our project titled Security Password Door Opener using Arduino. This project controls the opening of a door using a password-based system. A keypad is used to enter the password and Arduino check-in. If the password is correct, a servo motor or lock mechanism open the door. Otherwise, buzzer alert the user. It provides secure access and prevent unauthorized entry. Components used in the project are LED, buzzer, servo motor, 4x4 keypad model, Arduino, jumper wires, power supply we can use battery or also. Places where we can use this project: first, control access to room or safe; second, office and labs can be used to restrict person to authorized person. Now we will show the demonstration of this project. First, we will enter the wrong password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enter. You can see when we put the wrong password, the buzzer start ringing. Now we will put the right password. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. You can see when we put the right password, the green LED blinking, it means the password is right. If you want to close this door again, you have to enter the pin 0 hashtag. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Diksha Vijay Kumar Pandey from 8C.
And my name is Pratusha Bare from 8C. And today we are going to present our project titled Automatic Water Dispenser using Arduino. Our project automatically dispenses water when a container or hand is detected. An ultrasonic sensor detects the presence and the Arduino controls water pump to release water without manual operation. It helps maintain hygiene and convenience in daily use.
We use components like Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor module, jumper wires, container bottle for a water.
Let's see the demonstration of our project. When a container or hand is detected, the water will be released automatically. Oops.
सॉइल मॉइश्चर सेन्सर आहे। तर याला आपण माती टाकू ना, तर हे बघणार की माती ओली आहे की सुकी आहे। जर माती ओली असेल ना तर हे पाणी नाही सोडणार, पण जर माती सुकी असेल तर हे आपोआप पाणी सोडायला लागतं। म्हणजे आपण ना हे घरात सोडून जाऊ शकतो। म्हणजे जर तुम्हाला बाहेर कुठे गावी जायचं असेल, कुठे जर बाहेर गावी जायचं असेल आणि प्लांटचा आपल्याला खूप भय असेल की प्लांट सुकेल नको म्हणून, मग आपण याला जर ह्याच्यात टाकून ह्याला टाकून देऊ आणि बाहेर जाऊ ना फिरायला, तर मग जेव्हा माती सुकी असेल हे आपोआप पाणी सोडेल आणि जेव्हा ही ओली असेल तेव्हा काय नाही करत। म्हणजे प्लांटला आणि आपल्या मातीला टाइम टू टाइम पाणी भेटत असेल।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nitika Subramanian from 8 team. This is ECG pins. We can put this ECG pins in the hand, so this will detect the heartbeat.
When you put this ECG pin on the hand, then it will show the heart signal on a serial monitor. It helps tracking heart signal on the waveform.
These are the components. These are the components: Arduino Uno, ECG sensor module. You can also try this. आपको ट्राई करना है, ऐसे आप पकड़ोगे तो इसमें ECG
सिग्नल दिखाएगा वेवफॉर्म में, नॉर्मल है वेवफॉर्म में। थैंक यू।
आता आपण
आर्टिक
डिटेक्शन आता आर्टिक तेव्हा येतो तेव्हा धरती हलते तेव्हा आपल्याला समजतं आणि हा सेन्सर वाचतो आणि मग आपल्याला कळतं की आता आर्टिक येत आहे, मग आपण इथून सेफ प्लेस मध्ये जावं।
आणि ह्याच्यात व्हायब्रेशन सेन्सर, बझर, आर्डिनो युनो आणि जम्पर वायर्स आणि थर्माकोल मॉड्यूल सेटअप साठी यूज केले आहेत।
थँक्यू।
प्रोजेक्टचं नाव ऑटोमॅटिक कार वायपर आहे. त्याचा यूज हा एक स्कूल बस आहे. त्याच्यावरती रेन सेन्सर मॉड्यूल आहे. जेव्हा पावसाचे थेंब पडणार तो रेन सेन्सर मॉड्यूल आणि वायपर ऑटोमॅटिकली स्टार्ट होणार क्लिनिंग करायला.
Good morning, sir. This is a clap file we had made together. We can use in the hotel, restaurant, or any other purpose. So if we clap this, if we clap here, the fan will get start, and if we clap again, the fan will get off. Now I will show you the components which we have used in the project. These are cardboards, resistance, diode, LED lights, on or off button, relay module, battery, adapter, small DC motors, fan, and jumper bars. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Ashutosh Surendra Pandey, and my partner name is Shaurabh Pramod Kumar Khambe. We are studying standard 6. Today, we are going to explain our robotics project on music reactive LED using Arduino. This project helps in creating visual effects based on music, making it fun, interactive, and engaging. The components that are used in this project are Arduino Uno, sound sensor module, LED or RGB LED strip, jumper wires, power supply. We use your laptop. Either we can use battery or adapter. It is used in parties, events, or home setups for music visualization. It can be integrated into smart lighting system that respond to sound. This project helps in creating visual effects based on music, making it fun, interactive, and engaging. Thank you.
My name is Prem Arun Batuse and my name is Anna Mahesh Gaikwad. Today we are going to present our project titled Anti-Sleep Alarm using Arduino. This project helps prevent drivers from falling asleep while driving. An IR sensor monitor detects the driver's head movement or eye closure, and if drowsiness is detected, the Arduino triggers the buzzer to alert the driver. It improves road safety and prevent accidents caused by fatigue. Components used to make this application. We have used many components to make this application like Arduino, USB cable, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, jumper wires. Now I am going to speak about application of my project. Driver safety alert driver during long trips to prevent sleep-related accidents. Vehicle safety system can be integrated in cars as a safety feature. Now I will show demo of our project. When the driver blinks the eyes, the Arduino triggers the buzzer to alert the driver. Like if we blink eyes in front of this ultrasonic sensor for 3 seconds, it triggers the buzzer to alert the driver. Thank you.
My name is Agastya Ratnakar Garate, Standard 6, Division H, and my partner is Anaita. And today we are going to present our project titled Smart Street Light using Arduino. This project automatically controls street light based on ambient light level. A light sensor detects the darkness and the Arduino switches street light on or off, accordingly saving energy and ensuring proper illumination. It provides efficient and automatic street lighting. Components are used in this project are Arduino Uno Nano, LDR light dependent resistance sensor, LEDs or street light model, jumper wire, power supply battery or adapter.
Applications: energy saving, reduce electricity consumptions by turning lights on only when needed. Smart cities can be integrated into urban infrastructure for automated street lighting. Conclusion: this project helps in automatic street light, making it energy efficient, convenient, and suitable for smart city application. Now we will show you our model demonstration.
This is the LDR sensor that detects the darkness and makes the street light on. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Rudra Murthy Naidu. I am studying in standard 70. My partner name is Kartik Sachin Jadhav. Today we are going to explain our robotics project on weather monitoring system using Arduino. This project is made to measure monitor weather condition. Different sensors connected to Arduino. It can value like temperature, humidity, and light intensity, and show them on LCD display or serial monitor. Using the system, we can easily check real-time weather data and take precaution in extreme conditions like heat, rain, or storm.
Components used: Arduino Uno Nano, DST11 sensor for temperature and humidity, OLED display, jumper wires, breadboard.
Agriculture. Farmer can use monitor weather condition to plan an irrigation or crops protect accordingly. Smart cities. Use the smart weather station to track temperature, humidity, and light for public information and safety.
This project helps in collecting and displaying live weather data using Arduino. It is simple, affordable, and very useful for environmental monitoring and development. Let's see how it works. सध्या आपल्याकडे केबल नाही त्यामुळे मी लॅपटॉपनी कनेक्ट नाही करत. बॅटरीने कनेक्ट कर.
आता कनेक्ट झालेला आहे.
आता आपली ग्राउंडची रेंज बघा इकडे. ह्युमिडिटी आहे 41%. आता टेम्परेचर 30 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आहे. हे आता लाईट इंटेन्सिटी आहे 86 फॅरनहाइट आहे. हे हीट इंडेक्स आहे 85.87 फॅरनहाइट आहे. ही आपली ग्राउंडची रेंज आहे. मी आता बॉक्स मध्ये बंद करून ठेवल्यानंतर टेम्परेचर ह्युमिडिटी सगळे चेंज होतात. चेंज झाले बघा. हीट इंडेक्सची 56 होता 57 झाले. 40 ह्युमिडिटीची 44 होता 45 झाले. थँक्यू.
Understanding and demonstrating the this project helps in understanding and demonstrating the conversion of mechanical energy to electrical energy. It is simple and illustrates the key principle of renewable energy. Thank you.
Our project titled Smart Dustbin using Arduino. This project automates the opening of a dustbin lid when someone approaches. An ultrasonic sensor detects the motion near the dustbin and the Arduino controls a servo motor to open the lid automatically, keeping the dustbin hygienic and convenient to use. We use components like Arduino Uno Nano, ultrasonic sensor module, servo motor, jumper wire, power supply using USB cable, and the dustbin for setup. Thank you.
This project is designed to detect harmful gas and smoke leaks in the air using Arduino and gas sensor. When the sensor detects more dangerous level of smoke and gas, the Arduino immediately turn on the buzzer and LED light to warn people about danger. This system can help prevent fire accident and gas poisoning by giving early warning before the situation becomes serious. When the smoke release, we keep agarbatti close to the sensor. See, the buzzer starts sounding and the LED light turn on. This means the buzzer and LED light warning people about danger. Let's see what component will be used in this project. Arduino Uno, gas sensor, buzzer, LED light, jumper wire, and USB cable for power supply. Thank you.
Making it fun, engaging, and visually appealing. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rishikesh Shinde. And my name is Dushyant Rawal.
Today we are going to explain our robotics project named Laser Security System using Arduino. This project creates a security system that detects intrusion using a laser beam. A laser and LDR, light dependent resistor, are aligned to form a beam. If the beam is broken, Arduino triggers an alarm or LED alert. It provides a simple and effective way to secure your homes or offices.
Components we have used in this project are Arduino Uno, jumper wires, LDR, cable and laptop for power supply and laser module.
Here we have used some applications.
Ma'am and sir, my name is Akshay Shukmanulia and I am studying in standard 7. She is my partner. Her name is Shreya Ramashankar Pal. Today we are going to present our project titled Rain Alert System using Arduino. The introduction of this project detects the drop of rainwater and then buzzer will alert us automatically. A rain sensor sends signal to the Arduino which then trigger a buzzer or LED to notify the presence of rain. It helps in protecting crop, vehicle or outdoor activities from the unexpected rain.
The components featured within this project are Arduino Uno, jumper wire, USB cable, buzzer or LED array sensor module.
application sensor detect the drop of rainwater and then the buzzer will alert us. Now we will clean the drop of rainwater from rain sensor, then buzzer will stop. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Atharva. And my name is Viraj. Today we are going to present a project that is distance-based LED using Arduino. This project controls LED based on distance of an object. An ultrasonic sensor measures the distance and Arduino lights the LEDs according to how close or far the object is. It provides a visual indication of distance which can be used for safety or guidance. The components which we use to create this application are Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, LEDs, resistor, jumper wire and cable for power supply. This application can be used in parking assistance, help in guiding vehicle at tight space. Obstacle detection can be used in robot or machine for safety alert. This project helps in indicating distance using LED, making it simple, effective and practical for real-life application. Let's see how this project works. The ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of the object, and when object comes closer to ultrasonic sensor, LEDs lights up based on distance of the object. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shikha Gaita. I am studying in Standard 7. My partner name is Meenakshi Charani, and today I am going to present my project titled Platform Experimentation System using Arduino. This project is designed to prevent accidents on railway platforms. It works by detecting when train arrives using ultrasonic sensor. When the train is closed, Arduino controls a servo motor that moves a flap or blade to close the gap between the platform and the train. This helps people, especially children and elderly passengers, to board the train safely without slipping into the gap. Components: Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, jumper wires, battery, cable for power supply. Let's see how project works. When the train arrives, the ultrasonic sensor detects the train and moves a flap or blade to close the gap between the platform and the train. And when the train departs, the flap or blade comes to its normal position again, preventing passengers from falling or getting injured. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanvi Ganesh Sorge from 8A,
And my name is Miss Anviram Sagar Singh from 8A.
today we are going to present our project on Indian Army Security Gate using Arduino. So this project is made to improve the security system of army areas. It works automatic using RFID sensor and Arduino. Only people who have a valid RFID card can enter. When the card is scanned, the servo motors check if it is authorized. If it is authorized, then the servo motors open the gate. Not the gate stays closed. This system protects, help army and keep unauthorized people out.
So we use components like Arduino Uno, the main controller of this system. Servo motors opens and closes the road. RFID module reads the card information. Jumper wire used for connection. Foam board used to make a model gate.
So our project is applicable for the army entry basis control. It can be used as the army camp or basis to allow only soldiers and authorized staff to enter safely. It also useful at the border check. It used at border to control vehicles and people entry using RFID card instead of manual checking. So let's see how our project works.
So this is the RFID card. When we scan the card, then servo motor open the gate, and the gate will open for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the gate will remain closed. So this project is a simple and low-cost way to make a secure and automatic gate system for an Indian Army.
Thank you. Now let's see which component we have used in this project. Arduino Uno, flame sensor, buzzer, jumper wire, cable for power supply.
Applications: first, home safety, alert residents during fire incidents. Second, industrial safety cameras, companies, factories or labs, detect fire hazards.
Now when we hit a flame sensor, let's see. The circuit becomes activates and buzzer starts ringing. This alarm sound warns us about fire and helps to prevent fire accidents. Thank you.
My name is Arya Ajay Sawan. I study in 7th. She is my partner. Her name is Vaibhavi Rajesh Kapur. We are going to represent our robotics project Smart Bank State. This project has a visually impaired people, detects obstacles in the path, and ultrasonic sensor detects objects or hand, and the Arduino triggers a buzzer or vibration motor to alert the user. It provides a safe and independent navigation for visually impaired individuals. Battery pack, Arduino, buzzer, jumper wires,
efficiency, mobility, and safety. Smart devices can be integrated into wearable assistive technologies. This project has been implemented now I will show you demonstration. First, I will connect the battery, second, and ultrasonic sensors of it detects and view the alert.
Good afternoon, everyone. You are comfortable in which language, Hindi or English? Hindi. My name is Anirudh Ashok Sahu.
My name is Mayank Yadav and we are from 8B. Today we are going to present our project Smart Bridge using Arduino.
This project is a smart bridge system that detects the water level below the bridge using sensor and Arduino. When the water level rises above the safe limit, the barrier goes up to stop the vehicle from crossing. When the water level comes down, barrier returns to their normal position. It helps to prevent accidents during flood and improve bridge safety.
Components used in this project are Arduino Uno, USB cable for power supply, moisture sensor, servo motor for barrel controls, and USB and jumper wires. Our project can be used in traffic safety, automatically manages bridge barriers to prevent accidents, and also used in smart infrastructure. Can be integrated into smart city bridges for efficient monitoring.
This project helps in automatic bridge operation for safety and efficiency. It is useful, practical, and enhanced traffic management. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yash Vishwanath Dode and my partner name is Prajwal Sunil Surve. And today we are going to explain our robotics project titled Height Measurement using Arduino. This project measures the height of an object or a person using an ultrasonic sensor. The sensor which calculates the heights from the top to the base and the Arduino process this data to display height on a LCD or a display monitor. It provides a quick, accurate and digital way to measure height. Let's see the components. Stand or base for object replacement, battery, power supply, Arduino Uno, jumper wires, ultrasonic sensor and OLED screen. Applications. First, school and laboratories for teaching and experiments involving measurements. Second, medical and sports, a quick height measurement for patients and athletics. Conclusion. This project helps in measuring height, quick, accurate, digitally, make it simple, effective and user friendly. Now I will show the demonstration. Now, when the ultrasonic sensor calculate the distance from the top to the base and it will be visible on the OLED screen.
Good morning, everyone.
My name is from
And my name is Mahika Jagannath Sawa from Standard 8 Division F.
Today we are going to present our project titled Tic-Tac-Toe Game using App Inventor.
This project is a digital version of a classic tic-tac-toe game using App Inventor. The game allows two players placing X and O on a 3x3 grid. The game checks for wins, draws and invalid moves automatically. It teaches app development, logic and interactive design.
Components are used for this project. Computer or laptop, App Inventor software, online, modern computers, logic, local game.
The game can be used as educational purpose. It helps beginners learn coding and app design through a simple game. Entertainment purpose. It provides fun and interactive games for users on mobile devices. As you can see, this is how our application looks like. It is showing X turn, that means X will play. And when it shows O's turn, that means O will play.
This project helps us in app development and game logic, making interactive fun and education.
Thank you.
So we have to pronounce this word by clicking on voice reading. So let's see how it works. अब ये pronounce करना है ball को. Ball. Correct. Application tells me that it is correct. And if the pronunciation is wrong, then the application will tell us it is wrong. I say another word like monkey, cat. Suki.
Try again.
तो ये हमें हेल्प करता है ऐसे छोटे बच्चों की रीडिंग स्किल्स को, उनके बोलने के तरीके को इम्प्रूव करने में, उनको बिगिनर्स को आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि कई लोगों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत होता है रीडिंग करते वक्त, तो दिस एप्लीकेशन इज डिजाइन्ड टू हेल्प यूजर्स टू इम्प्रूव देयर Excellent, your answer is right. One more question. What was I again?
20 divided by 4.
What is 20 divided by 4? What is 20 divided by 4?
It is the national bird
Say
of
the
India.
answer. What is the national word of India? What is the say answer? Your answer is correct. You want to try again?
India.
What is the capital of India?
Good morning everyone. This project is a mobile application that allows users to purchase products online. Using App Inventor, the project will appear on the screen. Let's see how it's work. Once we click it, Shop Now button, the all product will appear on the screen. Then we have to click on Buy Now button. Once we click it, one message will send to the shopkeeper and shopkeeper contacts us and the product will send to our doorstep.
उद्याचा विद्यार्थी हा केवळ औपचारिक शिक्षण होऊन समाजामध्ये गेलेला नसता, संस्कार शिक्षण त्याच्यावर मूल्य संस्कार झालेले पाहिजे आणि ती जबाबदारी आपल्या समोर शिक्षकांची आहे. पुण्यात आले आणि आज भव्य अशा रोबोटिक एक्सपोचे आयोजन करण्यात आले आहे. ते बहुत सारी शिक्षण संस्थेचे
सर, महेंद्र सर, आमचे सर्व प्रिन्सिपल्स, आज हा रोबोटिक एक्सपो जो आम्ही इथे घेत आहोत, खरंच आमच्यासाठी एक विद्यालयासाठी किंवा दिवा शहरासाठी एक ऐतिहासिक दिवस आहे. कारण गेल्या 1.5 वर्षापासून श्रीनिवास सर इथे आहेत. श्रीनिवास सरांना माहिती आहे की गेल्या 1.5 वर्षापासून आम्ही प्रयत्न करतो की रोबोटिक एक्सपो आपल्याला घ्यायचं आहे. ऍक्च्युली लास्ट इयर आपण सर बोललो घ्यायचं, पण आम्हाला असं होतं की इनकम्प्लीट काही नको, करायचं आहे तर परफेक्ट करायचं आहे, व्यवस्थित करायचं आहे. मुलांना तो विषय पूर्ण समजला पाहिजे. त्याच्यामध्ये AI आहे, मुलांनी स्वतःहून ॲप्स बनवले पाहिजे, तरच गेल्या वर्षी कमी वेळामुळे आम्ही तो घेऊ शकलो नाही. एक स्वप्न होतं आमच्या स्कूलचं, गेल्या वर्षी 2 वर्षाआधी आम्ही ॲप्स केलं होतं. यावर्षी ते पूर्ण झालं. रोबोटिक आपण जो एक्सपो बघतात त्यामध्ये खरंच श्रीनिवास आणि
My name is Pranav Nirishkai and my partner's name is Swara Yogesh Savre. And today we are going to present our robotics project on sensing drum music. This project allows users to play virtual game using camera inputs. Using Scratch, the game produces drum sounds. Whenever camera sense object can include visual effects to match the rhythm. It teaches Scratch software, drum sound files or sprites. Applications. Educational games. I'll begin on programming with sound-based interaction. Music learning can be used to teach basic rhythm and percussion digital. Conclusion. This project helps in learning programming and music interaction through drum simulation, making it interactive, fun and educational. Now we will show you demonstration of this project. When the camera senses an object, the drum and the drum cymbal will start the music and the color and the size of the sprites will be changed.
आज आपण इथे आला असे संस्थापक
Good afternoon, respected sir. My name is Srika Pandey. I'm studying in Standard. She is the partner of agency. Today we are going to present the application titled Something in English. This project is a fun and interactive game where the controls the camera. Jump to the object. This application allows the players to use keyboard inputs to jump and hover to one object. This is important. It is using and interactive.
Each game will allow excessive motivation training. It teaches basic theorems and interactive animals. This project has robotic programming, web logic, something interactive, visual and educational. Now I will show you demonstration. Your program is this started. The score will begin.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nehara and I study in Standard 5th Division F. My partner name is Shaitanya Mangekar and today we are going to explain our robotics project titled Shooting Game Using Scratch.
This project is a fun and interactive game where the player controls a character or object to shoot targets. Using Scratch, the game allows the player to aim and shoot at moving or stationary targets, keeping score and avoiding obstacles. It teaches basic programming, game logic, and interactive animation.
Components are used in this project are the laptop, the scan software, and the sprites, their targets and the background, and the keyboard for the shooting controls.
First, educational games help beginners learn programming through interactive animation. And second, reflex and coordination training improves hand-eye coordination and timing skills.
Conclusion: this project helps in learning programming and the game logic through a shooting game, making it interactive, fun, and educational.
Now I will show you demonstration. If the rocket ship touches to the round, the game will be over. If you reach score 20, you will win the game.
You have to try.
शिक्षक हृदय सत्रात अखंड महाराष्ट्रातील
My partner name is Jaya Vinay Pandey. Today we are going to explain robotics project on movie script game using Scratch. This project is a fun and interactive game where the player controls a character to move and avoid obstacles. Using Scratch, a player controls a character jump or move using keyboard or mouse inputs to avoid movie script game. It's helping understanding and basic programming, game logic, animation control in a creative way. The components used in the project are laptop, Scratch software, spirits, player, moving strips, obstacles, background, keyboard or mouse for controlling movement. Application: educational game, help beginner learn programming and logic to play. Skill development, improve hand-eye coordination, focus and quick reflex. Conclusion: this project is a fun, interactive and educational, especially for beginners. Now I will show the demonstration of the movie scripts game. The game will start off the green for its click. The ball touch any black script, the game is over, like this. When the ball across all the strips safely and reaches the player, win the game. Thank you.
Can allow user to design and assemble 3D shapes, practice digital modeling and architecture concepts.
Components used in this project are Tinkercad software, 3D shapes, laptop, keyboard, and touchpad.
Application: educational project helps students learn about architecture concepts and 3D modeling. Prototyping and creativity can be used for study or display.
Conclusion: this project involves creating 3D model of the Leaning Tower of the Pisa, making it creative, educational, practical for learning 3D modeling and architecture.
Now I will show you the demonstration. It shows the 360 version of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It uses cube, spheres, triangles, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir and madam. My name is Anil Sudheshwara. I am studying in 7th C. My partner name is Lord Abhinandisa. Today we are going to explain a robotic project titled School Doing Design Using Tinkercad. Tinkercad allows use design assembly, visual physics helping learning and architecture and digital modeling. It is creative to digital modeling and language skills.
यामध्ये
Application helps in understanding design and coding only. Calculated is a digital robotic architecture. Official research.
मनस्वी आभार मानते आणि येथे हा कार्यक्रम संपन्न झाला असे अध्यक्षांच्या वतीने जाहीर करते.
तुम्हाला माहिती असेल की आजकाल गाड्यांचा वापर किती वाढलेला आहे. गाड्यांचा वापर वाढला तर तेच वाहतूक कोंडी वाढली. याच वाहतुकीवर नियंत्रण ठेवण्यासाठी सरकारने विविध नियम बनवले. जर का हॉस्पिटल आणि पोलीस स्टेशन जवळ असेल तर आपली जास्त पाहिजे. जर का शाळा जवळ असेल तर त्याची पेट्रोल खर्च जास्त पाहिजे.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव सोहम तुकाराम देसाई. आमच्या प्रोजेक्टचं नाव स्मार्ट सिटी आहे. आजकाल सिटी नॉर्मल सिटी नाही, आम्हाला स्मार्ट सिटीमध्ये कन्वर्ट झालेलं आहे. स्मार्ट सिटीमध्ये तुम्ही ट्रेन, हायवे असे करता. आज जगपातळीवरती अमेरिकामध्ये न्यूयॉर्क, लंडन व असे अनेक शहरं आहेत ज्यामध्ये आपण स्मार्ट सिटी पाहू शकता. स्मार्ट सिटीमध्ये